Diana Nasser 500. Menyame bra, Bemen Munyam for boss. Kalybos, good afternoon.
Papa, afternoon.
Bibia Wokode.
Yamea
short code, Yabeshia, and say a movie been about now. Can't cast no a movie bear.
Movie produced by Shakira Production, executive produced by Tracy Boache. Title no, Baby Mama. Yes, and then ordine a dear or my title no then dear man for who seneno or more monkeka home any title any die chassis die baby. There no press conference nine. Yeah.
Okay, yeah, but press conference na CBBA was come more times they show movie and I say Jovia. The same role I will play a movie manner.
Oh, and I answer on share do there. But I mean I'm an actor. And as an actor, no, you are supposed to evolve with your acting. Cinema brain, Maya comedy. I've recent movie, I was playing an action drama in it. The others have played romantic drama as well. You know, a movie, it's drifting away from comedy a little bit, but you know, with every good movie, there's always a comic, feel or comic touch attached to it. So you should expect a blend of drama and comedy. Yeah.
When been a cancer movie, when was it?
Kofi Adjololo Kahon, Bella Samoa Tracy, Moesha Boudon. There's a whole lot. Cast and Omobonina, so Omodoso.
Press conference, Nabery, I'm sure that when we do a script, we will be a dear partner. Yeah, expecting through him, moving him.
Expect to be entertained. I mean, with every movie there, you should know, say, at the end of it, if you are not entertained, you just didn't get it. So you should expect more entertainment and an educative part of it as well.
Yeah, we say Ebia Oya Sofo, Oya Malam, we say moving him. Oya near moving him.
Menka wants them there.
Alright, the Nyabra Kalybos, I want to say 1-2 be out the Bama Ashafona.
Ashafuna Munguso support Ghana movie industry, no. Seme Kokoswan says about for member from when the movie evolves, there may be a Kadibua, they can be a Yifri Mutino. More fun pipe on tie it in a Bibia.
Thank you, Bra Kalybos. In your bra penny back on Swabba too much. Janga Town film, bra. Good afternoon, Poleeno Multimedia.
Yeah, Mejodo.
I say, Mente Fantino, can you thank you? Fantino,
is that you can't why the Fantino treat or the same thing or we now until the English and the French are far difference. It's definitely the same type of better say. The most what the no team in camp I come at us it's an answer.
All right, what be PMO kuma saying there be your short code the Tracy eba hanum say. And then I do a free takra de ababe dru kuma say hanum say.
Oh, it's all about this baby mama. Oh yeah, Tracy watching a new movie now all baby channel. You never start on your boy channel. Yeah, only in cinema band are they.
You show movies and also videos now. Oh yeah, Jovi has a woman independent concert. And when they say Tracy has a flower bar, say be you concert or movie man as a way who play different roles. They say they expect like Obia.
Men second script no, Murula what the mom no. On your concert when it gets to seriousness, you're bad, especially action. Don't go there. Baby, I want them we are there. It's urban Jovia, urban there, streets, urban ghetto, urban Bibiala. We are in for business. So whatever, you just bring it on. That's all. So any problem?
Yaba. What should viewers expect from you in this movie? I didn't know the man here for.
An American, or depend the role now what the mom know. It's role now what the mom so emidima. I further. So let's see.
Is it too much in Beso Bohon Mama who say na Obabe until the bar out no too much 1 or 2 Yadama viewers now. You wrap it up.
Whatever share they be a made one for supporting me, especially third movie industry, or your Westwood. Yet the one I said that was support because you're in Chile, but they were fan base and I didn't support now you didn't yet the one I say that was supporting the beer. Now yet the beer any movie beer and every movie beer of you West Side and of you Western and Central, or fancy movie you disappoint one that. Instead when the world to your Dobanade, one watch out for Pimpinaco, dropping very soon nowadays. But no movie. Watch out.
Yeah, bra Penny, or Babacan, or Poleeno Multimedia. Bra, good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
And I'm to say,
yeah, who are Dom now, swear.
nyamia do menso mo hoye Camaro no say bibia koso bokoboko
Ewurade adom bibia koso
abeshia ye bra wo short code Sister Tracy ba hanum say niaba beshia bra ye press conference be also about movie bia about movie no ka ho na
be ba chon ameka ho
and I say Broda Sammy dey wo movie me be ka sem paye nko na akokobo
say be unze Tracy ye my sister to ka so ye dwuma die bi say ntememfo odo mebodom na obehia me moa onso me say be me ye lunch me bibia oba tine wo say me so me de odo ye den ebebu odom tu hu ya me so me ba betwa bi yeah
movie about ye baby mama ade ne hwem free Broda Sammy ho no e wo sa movie nim ade ne expecting free ho
sabi o baby mama de nyina no oba na wo ye ya baby pen tine hu ni say a good idea tie nyina e be kira adwene ne ye twa na efe
yeah yes sister ebeduru sister ho fefo ai o mam camera so ye fe na wie good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Wunim ne dada yes sister Xandy ene wo hanum ze abehia no short code ade na de wo be mo short code anum ze na wie
Me new about Tracy Boachi and not in sa frey nyina say yamra maternity or ye dwuma sonko bi nti Tracy nsie na na ya ba bepie mu ha
sister Tracy ba ye dwuma sonko bi ye ne e wo fie de nim say ye dan no obesi say adwuma ben ya
oh ni company ba kwa Shakira movie productions and I betwa movie for bi baby mama nti baby mama nti na nyina ya ba ha
na che say yes sister wo ye cast e wo movie mu
yeah sure
ye expect dey wo ye mama baby mama e bia na wo na wo ba be wo na say
and this is Tracy you
this is meba onkonko bisa no but definitely you are in the game Robena will play
watch out for it
sister Xandy person beka it's a banger coming out
the thing is say me imagine use ni na ha mom kwasa ba be hwe premiere no what you say
link pesi ehun say bia we school girl wo
the point is this is going to be a blast from Tracy. I also want to say, whatever Tracy is involved is nothing but the best. And so just stay glued and then watch out for the premiere dates, come out in your numbers and watch this baby mama from Shakira movie productions.
Premiering date ni ya seti?
Debbie ba mi ho say nche, ye de betu dwa.
All right, said yes sister Xandy person be cancel P no yen train premiering date na ye nyina we should troop in go and watch it. Shout out to Kofi my baby.
Share papa nie.
Sister ya o want to say
nyame adom ho ye
ya da obade ase ya be share wo short code Tracy ba honom obebonyum
e be but no a movie na unveil in the title and your way forward a baby mama nti me wo mu ya cast me nti ani na me ba ase
o ya cast e wo mu ene obi ka se nyum na abeto e bia nyum movie nim e wase ya to nyum nti wonim nyum 20 say Tracy afa wase beto nyum ma no
bibia nim sa me na me actress and I me beto nyum but I don't chese me jai acting so I'm doing both nti na still your friend
movie nim e dey na expecting free honum Robin will play
me play they mean to me fan to but they may like more expecting from me on say me fans na share him say Robbie and me say me play piano me play ni year am money age ho am mama say still Yaa Jackson no acting no it's still me
Yaa Jackson is still Yaa Jackson so was it acting in nyum no de wakani nyina bom eno ye den odeba movie ni set premiering date na
not yet
okay the premiering date no enyam by but ya share enua Yaa Jackson movie no eno nyum no dey na you interest
ni na me interest o
dey na fetch more money
ni na fetch me more money
ba ko fetch money e chen ba ko
no media both no fetch money mama
we acting no eni so be bo nyum no dey na mo nyeska
ni na ema ni na ma me nyeska
ya mbe so beka say bia ye acting anase nyum na ye den ameniska ni nyina ameniska de hin woni je ho
ni na manage ho manage movie no manage nyum na so
ni je movie no ni je nyum no ye beda ye sister ya say ye no won komo 1 or 2 bi but en de be ye fie asem nti ye be fie ye be shada fro ni ye be fie 1 or 2 bi ade be ma viewers
they make an say me do massive keep on supporting Yaa Jackson. I love you so much. Thank you.
Now next song na bada bay title no me review title ni dey
about this month ya mfa title bi antu jay me about this month ya so mo share nim
title ni dey
ya mfa title to jay